We are at IMDEX Asia 2019 in Singapore, and today we have the chance to get aboard the Izumo, the largest and flagship of the JMSDF.
Welcome to Izumo. I'm Kenji, Lieutenant, Izumo's Information Technology Officer. Our first hangar and second hangar are spared by fireproof shutter. Furthermore, maintenance hangar is located in end. Yes, it has the air conditioner. Maintenance hangar is able to maintain helicopter by same ability of ground hangar.
We are in the main hangar of Izumo. Behind me you can see two SH-60K anti-submarine helicopters. In case of missions, the ship can carry up to 14 helicopters. There are several blast doors inside the hangar. In case of damage control, they can be used to shut off some areas of the hangar. We are now on board the main elevator on the Izumo. It can carry one SH-60 helicopter with its blades completely unfolded so that it may take off more rapidly. The first elevator is located in the middle of the flight deck, and the second one is on the side. For self-protection, Izumo is fitted with 4 close-in weapon systems, or CWIs. 2 rams and 2 phalanxes. 2 located at the bow forward and 2 located aft. We are now on the flight deck of Izumo. There are 5 helicopter spots for SH-60 maritime helicopters. Izumo has a crew complement of about 470 sailors. We are now inside the bridge of Izumo. During navigation, there are 5 to 7 sailors manning the bridge.
This is a IBS radar system, only navigation. This one is CO's sheet and rear admiral sheet. Duty officers navigation control, speed and rear.
We are now inside the flight bridge of Izumo. This is where the helicopter operations are controlled.
This area is landing safety officer. This area is air traffic control room. This cell accommodates 35 beds and isolates the room against flu. In addition, there are operation room ICU. If heavy injury appears, we'll care primary phase and send him to a big hospital by helicopter.
This is the operation room where they can conduct surgeries. This is the dental room, and right next to it is the X-ray room.